Vibrations are an incredible form of communication in the animal kingdom, offering a way to exchange messages even when traditional vocal sounds or visual cues are impossible. Across different ecosystems, animals use vibratory signals to navigate their environment, find mates, warn off rivals, and detect prey or predators. From the tiniest insects to larger creatures, these vibrations reveal a hidden language that often goes unnoticed by human senses. One remarkable example is the spider, particularly species like the orb-weaving spider. These arachnids rely on web vibrations to communicate and hunt. When an insect lands on their intricately spun web, it sends distinct vibrations that the spider can interpret. But the communication doesn't end there. Male spiders often pluck the strands of a female's web in a specific rhythm, signaling their intent to mate while distinguishing themselves from potential prey. This vibratory song can even reduce the risk of being mistaken for food and attacked. Another expert in vibrational communication is the elephant. Known for their low-frequency rumbles, elephants can transmit seismic signals through the ground. These signals travel long distances, allowing herds to stay connected even when spread over vast savannas. By picking up vibrations with their sensitive feet and trunks, elephants can detect warnings of danger or even the location of distant water sources. This ability highlights their highly developed social structure and reliance on environmental cues to maintain their complex relationships. Frogs, particularly those in dense rainforests, have also evolved to use vibrations as part of their repertoire. Male frogs, such as the white-lipped frog, communicate through substrate vibrations by thumping the ground. These signals help them establish territory and attract females, while avoiding interference from other environmental noises, like the incessant calls of competing species or the roar of waterfalls. Vibrations provide a direct and effective way to make their presence known. Turning to the world of insects, we find the leafhopper, a tiny plant-feeding insect that communicates through vibrational signals sent along plant stems. These vibrations, too faint for humans to detect without specialized equipment, are crucial for mate selection. Male leafhoppers produce complex vibratory patterns to court females, and these signals are specific enough to ensure they only attract individuals of the same species. This mode of communication is particularly effective in dense vegetation, where visual and auditory signals might be less reliable. Bees are another fascinating example of vibrational communicators. The waggle dance of honeybees is well known, but what makes it extraordinary is the vibratory component. When a bee performs the dance, it buzzes and vibrates its body to convey precise information about the direction, distance, and quality of a food source to its hive mates. This unique method of communication enables entire colonies to function as a cohesive unit, ensuring their survival through cooperative foraging. In aquatic environments, vibrational communication is equally important. One standout species is the fiddler crab. Male fiddler crabs use vibrations to attract females by drumming their enlarged claw against the ground. This rhythmic display not only advertises their location but also demonstrates their strength and fitness. The females evaluate these vibrations to choose the best potential mates, showing how vibrations can play a crucial role in reproduction even in sandy coastal habitats. Similarly, certain fish species, like the elephantnose fish, employ electric fields to generate vibrations as part of their communication strategy. These fish live in murky waters where visibility is limited, so they use electric pulses to send and interpret vibratory messages. These signals allow them to navigate, recognize individuals, and even establish territories, showcasing how vibrations can be adapted to various sensory systems. Another group of aquatic creatures, whales, also communicate through vibratory signals, though on a much grander scale. Baleen whales, like the blue whale, emit low-frequency sounds that travel as vibrations through water for hundreds of miles. These songs allow whales to communicate across vast distances, coordinating movements, identifying one another, and even conveying emotional states. These seismic-like waves are a cornerstone of whale social interactions and migrations. Closer to the soil, mole rats are a fascinating terrestrial example. These burrowing rodents live in dark subterranean tunnels, where traditional visual or auditory communication is impractical. Instead, they drum on the tunnel walls with their hind legs, producing vibrations that can travel through the earth to communicate with others in neighboring tunnels. This behavior helps them maintain contact and coordinate their activities without ever needing to surface. Lastly, we come to the treehopper, an insect known for its ability to create complex vibrational signals. Treehoppers produce these signals by vibrating their bodies against plant stems. In some species, the signals are used by entire groups of treehoppers to coordinate collective movement or escape from predators. Mothers even use vibrations to warn their offspring of danger, showcasing a surprising level of parental care and community interaction in these small insects. Across the animal kingdom, vibrational communication demonstrates an ingenious adaptation to various environments. Whether through webs, water, soil, or plants, animals have developed extraordinary ways to send and interpret vibratory signals, ensuring their survival and success in diverse habitats. These often invisible conversations reveal a hidden world of complexity and innovation, reminding us of the countless ways life has evolved to overcome challenges and thrive.